Hello tout le monde, c'est Démoniax pour la chaîne de Demochus. Oui, je sais, j'ai un pull et une capuche parce que je viens de sortir de la douche, il fait froid. Donc aujourd'hui, on va jouer à Robocop. Vu que j'ai joué à Monopoly, vous aurez pas le son, voilà. Je vous le remets correctement. Donc on va continuer. C'est... Oui, je sais que j'ai fini le hold-up. Donc là, hop là.
I have pertinent information regarding the case.
We'll get to that, Murphy. But right now, it's time for your psych evaluation. Becker will chew my ear off if I don't make sure you take part in it. So go. Dr. Blanche is already waiting in the observation room. Once it's over, join us in the briefing room.
Ok, donc on va repartir dans la salle d'évaluation.
What's the big idea?
Piece of junk taser blew the fuse when I tried to charge it.
Ils éteignent la lumière comme ça.
I'm ready for you, Robo. All right, let's see what's cooking under the hood. Once I'm done, he's all yours, Doctor.
Hey, what's that look supposed to mean?
Il y avait tous les sons en même temps, c'était nimp. Il fallait que j'arrête la meuf. C'est pas grave, c'est...
Hello, Murphy. Congratulations. I've seen your accomplishment on TV. I hope that I'll manage to remain professional despite sitting opposite a celebrity. How do you feel about being acclaimed as a hero again?
I serve the public trust. I do not do it for fame.
No. Your sense of duty is what drives you, that's clear. I'm sure you'd love to share this accomplishment with Anne Lewis. You've seen her at the hospital, haven't you? How is she?
She is stable.
You cherish that relationship, don't you? She's an important part of your life. Your past life, too.
She is.
Just like your family. You're very protective of your past.
OCP cut me off from my family.
And how do you view their decision to separate you from them?
It was cruel.
To everyone involved, I'm sure. Nevertheless, you still think about them, don't you? What comes to mind when you try to remember your family? I see. Memories can be painful, especially when they're connected to the ones you love. They tend to remind us of what we're missing. The thief that broke into my house I mentioned before? He was my brother. He was an addict who'd come over to steal things to sell so he could buy drugs. As you can imagine, my last memory of us together is not a happy one. But despite that, I still wouldn't want to lose it. It serves as a reminder of how I failed him. And I've been trying to rectify it ever since.
I do not remember my family. I can only feel them.
These feelings, how do they manifest themselves?
As system failure. But OCP sees them as obstacles that need to be removed.
And now you're afraid that they sent me here to convince you they are right?
Did they?
What you need to understand is that regardless of outside influences, my client's well-being takes highest priority. Especially now that I understand how important these memories are to you, I will fight for you in every way I know how. If you let me. I think this is a good place to end this session. Thank you for your honesty. It certainly has been noted.
On dirait comme dans le Till Down quand il nous pose des questions pour faire des choix.
I've got plenty to think about for now.
Eh ben dis donc. Carré déhanché. Bref. Rien d'autre. Bah si.
RoboCop, is that you? I can't see anything.
I am standing in front of you, Officer O'Neill. Is there a problem?
Oh, CP skimps on everything when it comes to the police. Fired our maintenance guy to reduce their costs, so now we are literally in the dark.
We need to get the power back on.
I am equipped to deal with such situations.
Follow the cables. They should take you to the fuse box.
Yeah, just keep following the road. But the road ends here. What was that?
Je mets extinction des feux. Merde, compétences. Ah. J'ai fait ça. Donc là. Câble est là. Câble est là. Il redescend. On dit suivre le câble, mais... Il n'y a même pas de truc... Ok, j'ai suivi les câbles là. Donc j'avais raison. Bon, jusque là. Là, il est là. Ah, ok, il est là. Maintenant, je suis électricien aussi.
You two seem to be enjoying yourselves.
Just having a little fun with our fellow dispatcher.
Don't worry, I'm sure the kid has a sense of humor. It's just a little blue hazing. And he's an OCP stooge anyway.
You're not going soft on us, are you, Murphy?
That did not sound like fun.
It's not like he didn't deserve it.
You know that he runs tobacco with a stack of papers every time you two talk, right? He's a rat.
We're just looking out for you, Murphy.
All right. The situation at the bank was contained in a relatively smooth fashion. So what did we learn from it?
When it's their money on the line, OCP will send RoboCop, the entire SWAT team, and a bunch of Ed 209s that actually work.
Anything else?
Wendell Antonowski no longer deals with the street vultures.
That's right. There's been a rift in their midst, and I want to know why.
Spike has proven to be talkative under suitable conditions.
That's why I want you all to head to the city and do some actual police work. We need to find Spike. The attack on OCP Bank was a desperate move. I'm sure there's plenty of theories floating around. So we need to listen to what the streets are saying to find where the vultures are hiding.
I know someone versed in street talk.
Talk to him. And, oh, I almost forgot. Murphy, once you're downtown, the old man wants to meet with you.
The old man himself? What an honor.
Yeah, he's the closest Detroit has to real-life royalty. Maybe for saving him all that money, he'll knight you or something.
Enough. Head downtown, ask around, and most importantly, find Spike.
Ok.
RoboCop! Over here! You wouldn't want to make the mayor of Detroit wait, would you?
May I help you, Mr. Mayor?
Oh, it's me who's gonna do the helping. You know John Mills, I presume? The OCP puppet who's gunning for my seat as mayor? I've heard from a reliable source that he's planning to make you the highlight of his election bid. Judging by your expressive face, he hasn't talked to you about it yet, huh? That's what I figured. What a slimy bastard. Using your image to influence the good people of this city, and without your consent? That's clearly something that I would never do. But you know that I've always appreciated what you're doing for our city, right? So, the real question is, what are we gonna do about it together?
I am not involved in politics.
Well, let's not get too hasty. You can still show support for me, right? We're on the same side. I need to go. Campaign season is busy, but let me leave you with one word of advice. Whatever you do, make it clear that you are not siding with Mills. You can be sure that they'll twist your every word and use it against you. That's what OCP does. Thanks for the talk, RoboCop. Say no to Delta City.
Bon.
Vote for the neighborhoods, vote for Kuzak.
RoboCop is getting a face-to-face.
Donc en plus maintenant faut que je fasse de la...
Hey, Shiny.
Oh toi laisse-moi.
How are you feeling after the incident at the bank?
Who gives a shit? I heard that you're heading to the city. Once you're out there, I want you to check one apartment for me. There's suspicion of domestic terrorism and corporate espionage, so expect a warm welcome.
Should I assume hostility from the suspect?
I assume you'll find sensitive data there. Look for it thoroughly and make sure it comes straight back to my hands. Tenement across the street from the arcade, apartment 12. Now go, I've got to prepare for a meeting. And remember, if you won't take care of it, another cop will have to. Another cop that isn't quite as resistant to deadly surprises as you are.
Ok. Il m'a filé une quête secondaire en même temps. Donc je vais regarder vite fait le... J'avais un truc à faire à l'arcade. Ça doit être celui-là. Ouais. Donc là, on est d'accord que il est revenu dans la ville de base, hein. Encore les infractions. Ouais, c'est ça, je suis revenu dans la ville de base. Ok. Donc, je regarde dans l'arcade. Qu'est-ce que je devais faire? Désolé si vous entendez du bruit en arrière-plan, c'est que il y a la machine qui tourne. Ok. Donc, je vais laisser L2. Demi.
I'm sure I'm in the right place, but I can't see my FTO anywhere. Could I have his name, please? Over.
Sure thing. It's Officer Rat. He should be in one of the dumpsters. That's the only place he belongs, if you catch my drift.
Allez. Hop. Petite contravention. C'est gratos.
For my field training.
On m'a refoutu une quête en plus.
I hate the day shift.
Alors, l'arcade, elle est là. Je vais aller faire vite fait mon truc à l'arcade. Normalement, ça va pas durer longtemps si je dis pas de bêtises.
I'm telling you, she was looking straight
Je peux pas rentrer?
like I was the only man on the planet.
I know. She's the reason I blew my paycheck.
Je vais aller dans l'arcade. Ah! Les contraventions, toi.
Littering is against the law.
It's an act of revenge. I was loyal and she betrayed me.
Trouble in a relationship is no excuse for littering.
What? I mean my boss. She fired me after all these years, so I'm spreading confidential papers. Let everyone know the fraud her company is up to.
I cannot allow the law to be broken.
You are just like her.
Contravention. Donc là, t'es en train de me dire que je peux pas rentrer dans l'arcade faire mon truc. Dommage. Bon bah tiens. On va faire cette quête vu que je suis à côté. Il avait dit en face de l'arcade. Ça doit être au-dessus.
Daddy, what was that?
Go back to your room, sweetheart. It's just someone on the staircase.
On va passer là? Il y a plein de trucs à scanner, dis donc. Ça a été déplacé. Allez, on redéplace. Oui. 2 secondes avant de répondre. Vas-y, on va répondre à l'appel.
So OCP is ordering you to break into the apartment of a reporter they don't like? Any comment before I write a story on that?
I am here to investigate domestic terrorism.
OCP sent you to my safe house because they want to know what I have on them after the bank incident.
I assume there is more if you cannot store everything here. I found a rental bill for a locker in a storage facility.
Make up your mind. First you let me go at the bank, and now, when I'm actually starting to figure out what the OCP scam is all about, you show up and ruin this. Do you want to help OCP avoid liability?
Your evidence is invalid if you obtained it illegally.
I don't collect it for the court. I won't win against OCP there. It turns out I was right. That thing that OCP plans to do with charging residents of Old Detroit with additional costs, it is a loophole. It will lead to the illegal expulsion of thousands of people if you help OCP silence me.
Explain.
Not so fast. I need to be able to trust you first. At the bank, you proved that you are more than just a tool programmed to obey OCP, but now, the stakes are higher.
What is it that you expect?
Since you're here, I fully expect someone from OCP to go and check my locker. I need to protect what's inside, but there's a meeting I need to keep an eye on. Too much depends on it.
I will not be involved in the smuggling of contraband.
There's nothing illegal about my request. I need only one box from there. The one with the inscription Bakery on the corner. The rest you can leave to OCP to pick up. I needed to spring clean my out-of-date documents anyway. Call me once you secure the box.
Ok. Donc, là, on est d'accord, j'ai tout récupéré. Non, j'ai pas ouvert ici. En quoi? J'ai encore... J'avais encore 2 points de compétence. Mais vie dans un taudis ou quoi? Les gens ils mettent des cartons dans les escaliers. Oh, mais... Faut vous dire que c'est pas une vraie ville ça. Je vais voir à la cave. C'est pas le truc où je suis monté. Là je suis monté mais y a rien. Et des gamins. Là, y a rien. Bon, je vais faire que cette mission. Il faut que j'en profite pour de ouf faire les quêtes secondaires. Musique qui bug.
Man, it's RoboCop. So what? We're just sitting here enjoying the moment.
Vas-y, je parle pas avec vous.
Right off the sir.
Shouldn't we give the fellas the signal?
We should just shut up and smile like the exemplary citizens that we are. Are you lost, officer? I can show you the exit if you want.
Il faut oublier, bah bravo.
Trouble with the lock.
Seems that I forgot the key, but,
You will tell your story at the station.
Are you sure you have enough seats in your car to take us all?
If you do not come quietly, I will not need any.
Look out!
Allez hop. Toi, tu rentreras pas dans la bagnole. Toi. Non plus. Mais ta mère, toi. Bon. Mais qu'est-ce qu'il fout là, lui? Viens, toi. Qu'est-ce que vous faites derrière moi? Allez, couchez. Couchez. Oh là là. Vous êtes relou, hein. Il n'y a plus rien à récupérer. Allez hop, vous n'avez pas besoin d'électricité. Et on sort.
Well, well, well. Looks like Mr. Becker was right. You're up to something behind his back. These things are supposed to go to Mr. Becker, I reckon.
What will interest Becker is in locker number 17. The contents of this box are none of OCP's concern.
I'll have to tell Mr. Becker that you have not given us all the material.
I assure you that it will end up worse for you than for me.
Si jamais on garde les affaires.
So I'm guessing you have my stuff. Did OCP arrive at the party?
They tracked my location.
Because they trust you so much. Speaking of which, the box. What if I lied about it? Did you ever think of that? There may be a bomb inside or the head of my sworn enemy. Do you want to know what's inside?
If there is evidence of a crime, I would like to know it.
Police officer, first and foremost. In the box are my personal belongings. Letters, memorabilia, things that actually matter to me. When you become too tough to hit directly, the scum will try to get to you through your loved ones.
I understand.
So we have even more in common. Once OCP takes care of my old documents, I'll have the space to deal with the Delta City issue and help the people of Old Detroit. You've helped them already, though. Thank you. Ronnie's Grocery. Leave the box there.
Ok, let's go.
What do you mean, $1?
I have Samantha's belongings.
Yes, I'm glad you're helping her. Without that girl, OCP would put us all on the street. Still might. They did a number on a lot of families, hers included. Samantha's mother took it worst. But that's not a story for me to tell. Anyway, leave the box in the back, next to the cat food. She's supposed to pick up everything tomorrow.
Ouh. Jusqu'à 13h04. Ok. Donc j'ai réussi à finir ça. Donc voilà. Vidéo terminée. Je sais qu'on a presque rien fait, mais bon. À chaque fois, ils nous demandent de faire plein de trucs. Donc j'espère que ça va vous plaire et puis je vous dis à la prochaine.